The CM Business Directory allows you to create a listing of businesses. The Community add-on lets other users, logged in or not, create and manage each business profile. In this video, we will enable users to suggest and claim a business and go over the different configurations. First, set up the directory if you haven't done so. The settings are under Admin Dashboard, CM Business Directory, Settings. To add a business, go to Admin Panel, CM Business Directory and click Business and Add New, or simply click the Add Business button. Fill in all fields, add tags, categories and custom taxonomy terms. Optionally, you can also add video and additional links and fields. When finished, click on the Publish or Update button to save the business. With the directory ready, let's allow users to suggest businesses. Navigate to the Admin Dashboard, CM Business Directory, Settings, Community Business tab. Under Moderation Settings, choose the roles who can add businesses. To add a form to the site, place this shortcode on the page where you want to display the suggest form. In the Settings Community Business tab, check the Add a Business Form section. There are some important settings. Edit the link to suggest a business form. This should be the page that has the form shortcode. Check the box to add a link to the Suggest a Business link on the Business Directory index page. Set the maximum number of categories that users can assign a business to. The admin can always add more categories. The Suggest form is quite flexible. To access which fields are available and required, head to the Admin Dashboard, Business Directory, Settings, Community Business Labels tab. Here you can set the label of each field. Some fields have the option to be set as visible and mandatory. Now, when the user reaches the page with the Suggest form, they will be able to send the data. You can add a dashboard so that the user can edit the businesses assigned to his or her profile. This is done by using this shortcode on any page. Now let's make sure you and your users are notified of important events regarding submission status. Notifications are used to send an email to the user submitting his business on the status of the business page and also to the admin managing the directory. In both cases, you can customize the email template and decide if it should be sent at all. You can enable or disable and configure these notifications. To the admin, user suggests a business, user claims business, and to the user, submission was accepted or declined, claim was rejected, and information about how to log into a business profile. Inside the Business Claim Settings section, check the box to allow businesses to be claimed by site users. If this is checked, then users can claim existing business pages which have not been claimed yet. Once claimed, an email will be sent to the admin which can accept or reject the claim. Let users log into business profile on that business page. Check the box to add reCAPTCHA to secure business claiming form. Check the box to allow multiple claims by one business. It is advised not to allow multiple claims to prevent human bots.